Hello, Pint here, and I just wanted to say real quick, if you've been enjoying my content, please remember to subscribe to the channel here on YouTube and follow me on Twitch so you can always catch us when we're live and see more content. Also, if you are new here, welcome in, and if you're enjoying the video, please remember to like it because it helps me out a lot. I also post funny clips and other things on TikTok. All the links are in the description below, and thanks again. Now let's get into the video. Oh yeah, dude, Coach, I love these videos. They're so great. I started watching this one last night, but it was making me laugh because, I mean, you'll see why. Just this first clip. And I was like, nah, I'm gonna watch this on stream. So, most toxic and insane AirSoft moments of 2022. Try not to laugh. I guess I'll try not to laugh. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Probably not.
Economy into recession. It's no wonder tempers are at boiling point, and the airsoft community is not immune. Welcome to the most toxic and insane airsoft moments of 2022.
This video's too loud. They're so British. Fuck off! Come down here now!
He just said he shot you right between the eye. No, he didn't. You shot him on the right shoulder.
He's so quick with it.
Getting a lot of rather irate people down there at the moment.
Do you think it's acceptable for them to be shouting threats at us? I don't think it is. I don't think anyone should be threatening anybody.
I don't think it's acceptable, mate. I'll be honest with you. You know, we're out here just trying to have a good time. Bruv's out over there getting all uppity.
Game of airsoft. He said to you he just shot me right between the eyes. He didn't. He shot him on the left shoulder. So he's lying. He's trying to insinuate we're trying to headshot him, and he's threatening us. I don't think that's acceptable.
Mate, all I'm saying, you could have taken my fucking eye out. I'm standing there.
No, you got eye pro on my eye.
I love this part. This conversation. It's so British. It's so fucking airsoft. Everything about this is amazing to me.
Fucking eye out. I'm standing there.
No, you got eye pro on my eye.
Yeah, you could have done.
No, you got eye pro.
Sniper.
There was players.
You're using a sniper.
No, can we rewind? Mate, I've just offered you my hand. Can we rewind a second? I didn't shoot you, by the way. I didn't shoot
say
you.
it was you.
You did.
I said I knew one
somebody.
of you shot.
Okay, but can we just rewind it back? You did shout physical threats, and you did say to the marshal that you shot him between the eye. That's all.
I'm just an observer. I don't give a fuck. But we got the marshal standing next to us. I'm going like this. I've got my gun in front of me. You've got scopes on your gun.
There were players behind you.
They're all dead. We're all dead.
But we don't know that, but they're coming out and they're shooting out of it as well. They are.
So if you want to shoot people in dead zone, we could easily do that.
The thing is, if you hadn't been hanging around up there trying to get a sneaky little
do you think we'd have
position
shot it?
and gone back and respawned and listened to the marshal.
If you're respawning in a point and the people that are attacking the area are pushing your building, do not complain.
It's up to. We're allowed to go where we want.
Yeah, but don't you think we would have shot you? We're thinking
there were people shooting at us. They were coming out and they were shooting.
Where?
We weren't told it was a respawn. Okay. Yes. We weren't.
Headshots only now. Had complaints, it's headshots only.
Had complaints, so it's headshots only? Oh shit, that's actually toxic, isn't it? You're not supposed to shoot people in the head, I don't think. That's actually toxic. So now, I think in this one, the shooter's the bad person, right?
Only now. Had complaints, it's headshots only.
God damn! Oh my god. Looking right at him. Fuck. Alright, that would piss me off. If I got shot in the head and I knew it was on purpose, and especially if it kept happening, I'd be pretty upset. Like, if everyone was getting shot in the head, I don't think you're supposed to shoot people in the head. Oh, got him on the finger? Oh, dude, that sucks. That sucks. Oh, look. The way he's like, Like tries to shake it off. Oh god damn, one more time. Ah. Fuck. I bet that hurts so bad, dude.
Finger shots.
Oh. No, he doesn't have goggles on. You're a bad person. You're a bad person. You are a bad... Fuck off, mate. Yeah, you're a bad person. Bad person. You are a horrible
Without
person.
eye protection, I'm unable to pull the trigger.
Okay. Okay. Okay, he didn't pull the trigger. I was gonna say, you are straight up a bad, horrible person if you take this shot. Like, actually could do really, real damage. Did I get shot? He's like...
Pull the trigger.
This dude's literally like, wait, did I get shot? What was that? Did I get... Okay, yeah.
There he is in the trench.
Oh, that was like a neck.
A sniper shot just skimmed past my left cheek.
Your rifle, you must think.
My rifle?
Yeah, the rifle.
Yeah. It's down there, mate. Someone's complaining, wow.
Saying it's a bit hard. I think you are anyway. I don't know.
They think
Oh,
it's
wait,
me,
sure,
do they?
really?
Who's complaining?
Some guy from Leicester AirSoft. He runs Leicester.
He runs Leicester. Oh, is he? Oh, he's one of the trolls.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Point him out to me. I'll shoot him in the head. I'm pretty sure he's one of the trolls, Leicester. There you go. Spot on, innit? Show me.
Fucking, no, they fucking.
Spot on. It's spot on.
0.10 joules.
It's 2.25.
Yeah. Oh. Jesus. Why is he doing headshots? That's so fucked, dude. Oh my god. God.
We're about to encounter
Jeez, that was up close. I mean, some of these shots, the only thing you could see is the head. That's fair, I guess.
a player who seems determined to ruin the game. To be clear, at this event, the bang rule, which is usually only ever used at events for beginners and children, is not being enforced.
Okay.
I'm gonna go flank for Jocko.
Okay, so I didn't realize you only use bang for beginners and children. Huh. I didn't know this. I've never airsofted. Unless it was just like me and some friends with some pistols, you know, in a backyard.
Hit. You wanna, must I shoot you or you gonna call it?
There's no bang?
Must I shoot you, must I call it? Big hit. That's exact, bye-bye. As a dead man, I can't call it. I shot both of
I do not. Bangs are optional. I'm not calling. Bang is optional. I'm not gonna call a bang.
Mate, you're dead. Come on.
No, you did.
Why?
I shot you.
No, you didn't, mate.
Hey?
You didn't, mate.
Hit, bang, what do you wanna call it? Must I shoot you?
Yes.
Yes, you must shoot us.
Schiet hom. Geen meer rear Axel ons skiet.
No, don't. Just shoot us next time. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm out.
Holy shit.
You again. You again,
No.
I've been shooting you since down there, bro.
65 seconds.
It's you again, mate.
From there, yeah, three of us didn't hit you.
60. No, you didn't because I came from behind the bush.
I tell you what, mate. If you bang, we are allowed to turn and shoot you.
Bang is optional.
First one.
Why is he tapping him? What is happening?
So you're gonna call you hit?
Dude, you're ruining the game. Get back in. Go back, medic. Get back in the game. Dude, he just meant me back in. Dude, you're ruining the game. Dude, you're ruining the game. Get back in. Go back, medic. Get back in the game.
I just healed him.
Oh dear. But with that bearded banger behind us, it's time.
That's how you heal? You just tap people? Okay. I feel like I don't understand a lot of what's going on here.
To get on with the mission and make our way towards the militia's camp.
Well, time to have some fun. You got me on my floor.
You're in line of fire.
I hope this not going on you. Marshall gets shot in. Oh.
That's fucking funny. Ooh, right on the plumber's crack. He's such a dick, aiming for the flesh. Oh
Cheating in
my
airsoft
God.
is thankfully rare, but it does happen. I travel to France, infiltrating deep behind enemy lines to attack where they least expect it. To be very clear, this is a live gaming area. These players are not in a safe zone. They were also caught cheating on the day by the organiser who sent them home and banned them from future events even before my video from that day was released. If you want to witness the truly toxic nature of the internet in 2022, dip into the comment section of the original video, link is in the description. Despite screenshots from the organiser and other players on the day being shared confirming what happened, the community was sent into a meltdown, with accusations that I was the one cheating and I was in fact shooting dead players. In 2022, the internet doesn't care that the truth does not fit the toxic narrative of outrage culture.
What? Why is this guy on like a rampage against 2022 and like I feel like he's like half a second away from saying like woke's gotten out of control. You know what I mean? Like it's these bloody transgender kids, isn't it? We can't shoot each other in fucking face anymore like we used to. It's unacceptable. Tell you what, bruv. I got shot, dude. I don't know if he got him. I don't think he did. Just shooting randomly from pop, pop, pop into the air just because he doesn't know where he's getting shot from.
Johannesburg, South Africa. Poverty is so high that men from the local shantytown will break into this insane airsoft field and steal the manhole covers to sell for scrap metal. Almost impossible to spot in the dense foliage, I'm about to fall straight into a toxic sewer, crippling my leg and put myself out of the game and in need of stitches.
Holy shit.
If you're
Why do people
squeamish,
just look
please
around?
turn away from the screen now.
Oh no.
Oh, man down! Oh!
Shit, you okay?
Oh! Oh man, that hurt. So what's happened is I've gone down this hole, and leg went straight down. Let's hit that metal there.
Guys, I'm in a hospital in South Africa. He's going to do some stitches on me. If you...
An enemy patrol is approaching.
It was so purple. Jesus Christ.
No, mate, no. It did, mate. It did, mate, trust me. It hit you. You can't, mate, that's really bad. And with my position given away, I'm taken out by one of their teammates.
It totally hit him, right?
He's going to do some stitches on me. If you...
Jesus!
An enemy patrol is approaching.
I don't know.
No.
I'm like pretty sure it hit him. I like how he's like, nah.
Mate. It did, mate, trust me. It hit you. You can't, mate, that's really bad.
Damn.
And with my position given away, I'm taken out by one of their teammates. As I walk away, a health and safety issue on the field means a ceasefire is about to be called. All players.
I think he could argue, but then like he's wasting time that he could be playing, and he could just move on, and the quicker everyone moves on, the more you get to play. So I think it's just one of those things where you just kind of weigh it.
Players must lower their weapons. The trolls have other ideas. Why'd you just do that? Why'd you just do that, mate? Who was it? He just shot me there. Who was it who just shot me there? Why'd you do that? I want some more. It was you. Why'd you do that? Hey? With trolls on the field targeting me, let's get back into the game and go on the hunt. Headshots only for these toxic cheaters.
Oh!
Trolls up ahead, but the forest is too thick for shots.
He says headshots only for the troll cheaters, and then shoots some dude straight in the dick. Are you kidding me? Shoot them in the dick, dude.
Let's send a pineapple over.
You don't shoot someone in the dick, Butters. It's not cool.
See if we can flush them out. They don't seem to want to take that one. Let's try another.
He did not clarify what head. I do not understand how the grenades work.
And there's the rest of them. I'm going to target their chief troll, who isn't wearing head protection.
Oh God, look at that chrome dome. Oh!
And off to respawn with you, like a good little boy. And like all bullies, when the ringleader is down, the rest of them scatter.
Wow, they really do. He's dead. He's dead, guys. Come on, let's go. The cool bald leader is dead, so we got to follow him.
And he's domed too.
Oh, damn, dude.
Oh, shit. Nice shot. What was that? What did you think? He's gonna get shot in the face. Oh yeah, we need that one.
What's that, buddy?
No way. He just hit that shot?
Nice shot. What was that? What did you think? He's gonna get shot in the face. Oh yeah, we need that one.
What's that, buddy?
That's insane. Pop.
Whoa, that was fucking... Ow.
Yes, I love the whistle. He said that was fucking ow.
Whoa, fuck me, man. That was fucking... Ow.
Right in the ass. I've seen this one. Yeah, this is an enemy sniper.
Oh, fucking hell, Mustang.
That's that dude.
And today I'm back at Phoenix Airsoft in the UK, and I've brought along a crate of British Army smokes. Designed for military use, there are calls to ban these from most airsoft events due to the hot burn and intense, dense clouds of smoke that are toxic to breathe. The enemy team...
So why are you using them if it's toxic to breathe and they want to ban them from airsoft places?
Have reinforcements arriving. Time to put down some more smoke cover and take control of this Land Rover before we're overrun.
In position, moving up!
Unfortunately now closed, I head to Camp Sparta in the UK, where myself and named Nico send the UK Airsoft Justice Warriors into a toxic online meltdown when they find out we've broken into a usually out-of-bounds communication tower to carry out an HVT mission. Top of the tower reached, and with over 100 feet of elevation, it should give us the perfect vantage point to eliminate our target.
Wait, they have cars?
There's the informant. There's the informant. Two bodyguards.
What is happening?
Two bodyguards so we can see the informant.
They have a fucking Humvee? Like, this is crazy. Apparently.
Is that a positive ID on the HVT?
Yeah, apparently, like, sounds like in this one they have like a specific target they're trying to take out. This is crazy.
Okay, let's take the shot. We've got strong wind left to right. Informant's down.
Seeing them lay down is hilarious.
We've got to get out of here.
Ah!
This could be the death of us.
Damn! Right in the butt. The minigun. Sometimes it's best to give up.
He's there, sniper's there somewhere.
Oh shit. Do they not see him?
He's there. He's going. Right, we've got some over there, some behind me. Yeah.
Wait, that's sniper.
Right. Don't know, I've just seen him move, yeah. Got a ghillie suit there. Hit! Hit! Hit!
Oh my god!
Wait, I don't understand what's going on. Medic!
They don't know where he is still?
Medic! Dead!
Wait!
Hit! 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 Hit!
He has his hand on him!
Wait, I don't understand what's going on. Medic! Orange medic. Medic. Dead. Medic! Orange med. المت فرقه. I don't really want to be snatching. Yeah, that's for sure.
He's dead, mate.
He's dead. Cool.
And today I've brought along an M134 minigun.
What the fuck? How did they still not know where he was? That was insane. Holy shit. He's dead, mate. He ain't healing shit. You're all dead. God damn the minigun. He got.
The kid got me. Oh, no.
That's
For this
awesome.
Mission, my friends at Swiss Airsoft have sent me a very special toy. It's their MP5 SD GBB.
God, that looks like a COD gun.
And today I've brought along a brand new DMR called an OST 126 made
Why
by
does
Modify.
This, oh my god, this guy has as many airsoft guns as Americans have actual guns. This is crazy. Oh! Headshot again. Nope. Damn.
For this gameplay, I'm using something a little bit
P90.
different. It's the Novrich P90 AEG.
Yeah, I
wanna
saw
test
that
this
too. Like, that
P90
sniper was literally about to pull up the scope and get him.
The sniper, single fire, headshots only.
Single fire with a P90? Okay. Yeah, P90 sniping. Who'd have fucking thought?
Bosh. That works nicely.
It's a must. Improve the back. Boom. Out. Let's go.
Boom. Let's go.
There's a yellow. What a shot.
What is with this Grand Theft Auto 6 death noise? There are 5. I'm wasted.
Cooey! In your nuts, okay. In the box.
Oh god, I've got to watch this.
Okay.
Hold on, let's get a little dual action.
In the box.
The
box.
No!
Shoot aim. Yeah, all open fire.
Bosh, right in the box.
Why are they doing this?
Right in the box. He doesn't feel a thing.
Is this cup
You
testing?
really are wearing a box.
Yeah. Touch it. There
Wow, it is. Or are you pleased to see me?
Yeah.
2 enemy scouts up ahead, moving on to my position.
Touch it.
In my KM6 ghillie suit, they've not detected me. I need to wait for the perfect moment to take them both down. If I fire too soon, I'll give my position.
Just imagine he didn't have a cup on. Just imagine the dude had like the highest pain tolerance in the fucking game, and he just stood there and tanked all of that just for the touch it, and he got it. Imagine.
Position away. If I wait too long, one of them will surely spot me.
Do you wanna? Dude, these people are blind sometimes. I don't know. Maybe it's hard to see people in
Scouts
ghillie
were
suits.
eliminated.
I honestly can't say if I've ever seen someone in a ghillie suit where they're supposed to be with it. Because how would I know? No shit, they must be super effective. It's like a fire move on a grass type.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Our objectives:
Hit.
rendezvous with a special ops
For
unit
fuck's sake!
northeast of the LZ.
Are they in a helicopter? What is happening? What is actually happening? Back up. You're in a fucking... What?
Rendezvous with a special ops unit 1 click northeast of the LZ.
Northeast of the LZ. What happens in South Africa? South Africa apparently has the greatest airsoft events of all time. This is insane. I knew people have love for airsoft, but not like get a helicopter pilot's license love.
Safely on the ground, but I spot enemy players up ahead preparing an ambush.
Another fucking squad wipe.
Guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you.
So that's a realistic take, right? That they already were interested in helicopters separately. But I like my world, play in this space with me, if you will, where they just loved airsoft so much and wanted to ramp up their experience so badly that they just said fuck it and went into learning how to doing that. But I gotta turn on my RAM limiter and CPU limiter. Thanks for watching, guys. Follow me on Twitch to join us live, like and subscribe, and I will catch you later.